Good. How about you? Let's see. Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yes,
You gotta tell me the truth.
I said yes, sir. I did.
Really? Look into my
really
eyes
did.
and tell me. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Camille,
Huh?
did you brush your teeth?
Of course I did.
You did. Any smile at me, please? Okay, I guess it's kind of clean.
Daddy.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Sorry.
So y'all got on shorts. It must be hot out there, huh?
It is.
Really? How hot?
Hot. Hot, hot, hot.
And it's only March 28th? Oh.
He's tight. He's tight.
So let me see how y'all outfits look. Your shorts and all that. That used to be Arya. Hey, you don't have your shirt in your pants.
I forgot.
Okay, alright, Camille. Yours look good.
Dad!
Huh?